In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshbooks. Freshbooks is an intuitive accounting software designed specifically for small businesses and freelancers. It simplifies various aspects of financial management, including invoicing, expense tracking, and generating financial reports, making these tasks much more straightforward. First, you'll need to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to Freshbooks, all set to explore its features. Now that you're in the Freshbooks dashboard, you'll notice that it serves as a central hub for an overview of your business's financial health. This dashboard is crafted to offer quick insights into essential metrics such as revenue, profit, expenses, and more. It's an incredibly powerful tool because it allows you to gauge your business's performance at a glance, offering a snapshot of your financial status. Let's move over to the Clients tab next. In the business world, efficiently managing client information is key. The Clients tab in Freshbooks is specifically designed to help you keep track of your clients' details, such as their contact information, project statuses, and billing histories. This streamlined approach ensures that all your client details are easily accessible, which aids in fostering better relationship management and enhancing operational efficiency. Once you're familiar with the Clients tab, let's transition to the Invoices tab. Invoicing is a vital aspect of any business, and Freshbooks makes it incredibly easy to manage. In the Invoices tab, you'll find everything about invoicing in one place. You'll be able to create new invoices, track the status of sent ones, or even manage draft invoices. Its well-organized, user-friendly interface takes the complexity out of the invoicing process, making it much more manageable. Last but certainly not least, head over to the Payments tab. Here, you will have an overview of the payment transactions, both in and out of your bank account. This tab is crucial for effectively managing your cash flow, as it provides valuable insights into your financial activities. This empowers you to make well-informed decisions regarding your business finances. Freshbooks offers much more beyond these fundamental features, including expense tracking, time tracking, project management, and financial reporting. It's a comprehensive tool, packed with features aimed at helping you efficiently manage your business's finances. As we come to the end of this brief guide, remember that Freshbooks is all about simplifying finance management and making it intuitive. Spend some time exploring the platform, and don't hesitate to take advantage of resources such as tutorials, customer support, and the Freshbooks blog to maximize your Freshbooks experience. Whether you're a freelancer handling multiple clients or a small business owner seeking efficiency in financial management, Freshbooks is crafted to make accounting tasks simpler, saving you both time and stress. The user-friendly interface and its suite of comprehensive tools make managing finances not only easier, but potentially enjoyable. That's all for today's guide on using Freshbooks. We hope this walkthrough helps you navigate Freshbooks more effectively and unlock new potential for managing your business finances. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy invoicing!